Hey there, future chemists! Today we're diving into the magical world of the periodic table. Yep, that colorful chart you've probably seen a million times in your textbooks. But do you really know what's going on there? By the end of this video, you will. First things first, the periodic table isn't just a bunch of pretty boxes. It's a carefully organized masterpiece showing all known elements. Each element has a unique spot based on its atomic number, which is the number of protons in its nucleus. And guess what? Everything you see, touch, or breathe is made up of these elements. Mind-blowing, right? Let's start at the very top. The table is divided into rows called periods and columns called groups. Periods tell you how many electron shells an element has. Groups, on the other hand, tell you how many electrons are in the outermost shell. For example, group 1 elements, like sodium and potassium, have 1 electron in their outer shell, and that makes them super reactive. Ever seen sodium reacting with water? Kaboom! Now, if you sneak a peek at group 18, you'll find the noble gases. These elements, like helium and neon, have full outer shells, making them the cool kids of the table. They don't react with much at all. It's like they're saying, we're too noble for your reactions. Now let's talk about trends. No, not TikTok trends. Trends in the periodic table. As you move from left to right across a period, elements get less metallic. So metals like sodium are on the left, and non-metals like chlorine are on the right. Similarly, as you go down a group, elements become more reactive. Potassium is more reactive than lithium, even though they're in the same group. It's like a family trait that gets stronger with each generation. Speaking of families, did you know there are special names for different groups? Group 1 is the alkali metals, Group 2 is the alkaline earth metals, and groups 3 to 12 are called transition metals. Group 17 are the halogens, and Group 18, as I mentioned, are the noble gases. Each family has its own personality and quirks. Let's take a closer look at Group 1 in our textbook. These are the alkali metals known for their high reactivity. Now let's highlight period 2. Elements in this period have 2 electron shells. Okay, quick recap. Atomic number? That's the number of protons. Periods? Rows that tell you the number of electron shells. Groups? Columns that tell you the number of electrons in the outer shell. Trends? Metals to non-metals, and increasing reactivity down a group. And there you have it. The periodic table isn't just a chart, it's a map of the building blocks of the universe. So next time you see it, you'll know its secrets. Periodic table for the win. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more IGCSE chemistry tips and tricks. Happy studying!